Hey guys, so I noticed that I forgot to post the unboxing video of the juicer that my husband and I got. As you guys saw, we have started juicing and I've gotten a few questions about the one we use. As you can see on the box, we use the Nama J2 juicer, which we just ordered about a week and a half ago. It retailed at $550, so yes, it is definitely an investment. As you can see, they messed up my box. I guess the delivery person hit it on something, but whatever, as long as stuff inside is not damaged, which it was not, so that's good. So this is a cute little boxing, and then they neatly put in all the parts into their own separate boxes inside. So we have the smoothie strainer, we have the juice container, pulp container, the pusher cleaning brush, the base, and the chamber set with our starting guide. So first I'm going to take out the chamber set with the quick start guide. I was surprised they didn't send it separately, like separated. I thought the top and the bottom part of that was going to come separated, but it didn't, which is good. And then you have the quick start guide here, like the manual, and then they also sent a nice little recipe book, which is good because I definitely will need some ideas for juicing since I never did it before. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to the base, which was very heavy, so be careful when you take it out the box. You have your electrical cord here. The base obviously has like the motor and stuff in it, so please be careful when you're trying to take it out of the box. Do not drop it so you do not break it as soon as you get it. But it's very shiny and fancy. So here we have the two juice containers, the juice container and the pulp container. So one goes on one side to catch the juice, and the one with the handle goes on the side to catch the juice, and the one without the handle goes on the other side of the juicer to catch like the pulp and anything else that comes out that's not juice, basically. So that one will go for the juice and that one's be for the pulp. So then we have our smoothie strainer, which I have not used yet. I guess you use this and if you wanted to use the juicer to make a smoothie. I am going to order the, also here's the pusher and the cleaning brush. So the pusher is the push down in that little circle at the top if you ever needed to. And then the brush obviously inside is a cleaning brush, which so far has been extremely helpful to get into like the little nooks and crevices of the juicer and the different parts of the juicer. So I've been using that cleaning brush a lot. So I'm just going to go ahead and assemble it here while I'm assembling it. So like I was saying, I did order the I'm going to order the sorbet attachment, which allows you to make like a nice little fruit sorbet. And then I'm also going to order, actually I already ordered this. I already ordered the pulp strainer. So there's like an extra pulp strainer you can order attachment to help catch any pulp that may come out after the juicing process is done. It's very minimal, but you know the pulp strainer does help, so I'm still waiting for that to come in the mail. But that is an extra additional like attachment that you have to order separately. It does not come with it initially. So yeah, so here I'm just a layering guide just to show you how to layer your different fruits and veggies to have a good juicing experience. So that's that. Happy juicing.